We start by marking the exact location where we will cut out the tile to fit the panel according to the dimensions. Here we square the room in order to fit the panels. This was a bathtub turned into a walk-in shower, finished with Carrara acrylic panels and a 10mm sliding glass door. This is another shower with a Carrara acrylic panel finish. It has few shelves, hardware. Here's a 3x6 subway style acrylic panels with a chrome finish and a sliding glass door. The valve is a thermostatic valve from OM. Here's a white acrylic panel finish shower with a bench and a sliding glass door with chrome finishes and hardware. Here's another subway style pattern acrylic panel finish and a white shower with chrome finish.